So this video is going to show you how to create a contact list, which is the new distribution list in Microsoft Outlook, to email a group of people that you're in contact with regularly. And the way that we're going to do this is we are going to have a spreadsheet in Excel, a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet with the names and emails of the people that we want to email. And so I have this here. And then we are going to open up Microsoft Outlook. And you can do it right here from your home page. You can go down to create contact group. And the first thing you're going to want to do is give it a name. And so I'm going to call this parent email 2020-21. And now I need to add the people for my spreadsheet into my contact group. So you're going to click on add members, and you can choose either of the top two from Outlook Contacts or from Address Book. I don't think it matters. So I'll go from Outlook Contacts. And normally you can search in here for people that are already in your contacts, but I'm going to go back and add these new people. So I'm going to get their name, and I'm going to make sure to drag it over all of column A and column B. I'm going to skip the header, and I can go down, and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to Outlook, and I am going to, down where it says members, I'm going to make sure I click in the field here, and I'm going to paste it. And it's going to give me a list of my people. I'm going to hit OK. And then this is where you can double check the names with the email addresses and make sure that they're all here. When you're done, you can hit save and close. And now when I go to create a new email, I think I called that parent email 2021. If you want to double check and make sure that everyone is in there, it should be. But you can always hit this plus button, and it'll say if you expand the list, Outlook will replace the list with its members. So this is going to break it down into all the emails. And so now I can again make sure that everyone is on there. Or if somebody leaves, I can make sure that they're not on there if they're a student, if their child is no longer in my class. And so again, this is how to create a contact list to email a group of people that you are frequently in contact with. Hope this helps. Thanks.